7 healthy eating habits that changed my life. 1. Eat real food. Less from boxes, more from nature. Fruits, veggies, lean proteins, whole grains. 2. Plan your meals. When you know what you're eating. 3. Drink water. 6. Cut down on sugar. It's sneaky. Read labels and replace it with fruit, honey or dark chocolate. Most cravings are just dehydration in disguise. 5. Don't fear fats. Healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil are your heart's best friends. You avoid last-minute junk food. No. 7. Eat consistently. Don't skip meals. Fuel your body regularly to avoid energy dips and late-night snacking. No. 4. Eat mindfully. No phones, no distractions. Just you and your food. It helps digestion and reduces overeating. These habits are small but powerful. Which one will you try first? Like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy living tips.